Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add the timestamps over your PDF, the current timestamps. So to do that, just simply open any browser over your any of the device and just hit a tiny wow over the browser search window. Once you do that, just simply open the first website that appear right in front of you and wait for it to get load. Once it gets load, just simply go to the PDF tool. You don't even need to sign in for anything, and now hit go to this edit PDF option, and once it get load, this is a totally free option. Now upload your PDF file that you want to add the timestamps. Once I do that, just simply let it get load. Now this is my sample PDF, and here on this top option you can see this option which is time. Once you do that, a timestamps will add to your this PDF. Now you can place this timestamp anywhere you want. For example, if I want to place right here, and once I do that, just simply hit OK, and now you can see our current timestamp has been added to my PDF. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.